Namaskar everyone. So I'm bringing a video in English because I guess too much of Hindi also, then my English students will start missing my English videos. This is a video on how you can connect with Oya, a very powerful Orisha. She is the goddess of transformation. She is the goddess, or I would not say goddess, I would say she is the Orisha or the spirit goddess of wind. And she brings a swift transformation. She is one of the Orishas. I really love working with her because one thing is, when life is stuck and it's becoming stagnant, I don't know what to do, I don't know where to go. Everywhere energies are just, stagnant. Nothing is moving forward, nothing is happening in my life. Then in that point of life is where Oya works for us beautifully. Now this stagnation can be in what? It can be in my career, it can be in my finances, it can also be in my personal life, it can be anywhere. So basically, what does Oya do? Oya brings changes like this. In the fraction of the second, she brings an amazing, miraculous transformation also in the lives of many. She destroys enemies also. If you speak from that point of view, she destroys enemies also. And when you connect her with the king of Orishas, then she brings beautiful changes, and it's like, the lightning and the thunder coming together and creating a beautiful change. So she does that also. She also helps us in enhancing our psychic powers. It is said that, she was the queen of witches, so people who connect with her are somewhere also connected with the aspect that, she loves connecting with what do we say, with magic, with spells. Many stories, many patakis, basically, in Orisha. See, when it comes to hoodoo and Orishas, there are a lot of patakis. You might hear some patakis saying Oshun loves witchcraft, some patakis saying Oya loves witchcraft. Now, patakis have different stories from different ways how, they have been in this world. But when it comes to Oya, it is said that Oya loves magic and Oya weaves magic in the lives of those who work with her. So I have made a small video where I have shown how you can work with the brinjal and with certain things which are favorite of Oya. And how do you do it? Because I guess I made that video in a hurry, so I have not explained, maybe I have not explained properly in that video, so I'm just explaining here before you see the video, which is going to follow after my explanation part. Usually, proper authentic way of working with any Orishas, if you say, is we work with their number of days. So now, for example, Orisha Oya, we are working with Oya today. Oya's number is 9, so we will work for 9 days with her. So what do? I have shown just one brinjal in the video, but we keep 9 brinjals, and the stuffing of all the 9 brinjals will be the same which I have shown in that one video, in that one brinjal. So we take 9 brinjals, and then we do all the stuffings. First thing what we do is we add our wish paper, or whatever wish we want it to happen or it to work for us. We add that, and then we add other things, and then we cover it. Now when we cover it, what we do is we keep that brinjals in front of, if you have the Oya shrine, then in front of the Oya shrine. If you don't have the Oya shrine, then any place where it do not be disturbed for 9 days. After the 9 days, on the 9th day, what you do is you keep it in the crossroads. And you keep it in the crossroads with a simple offering for Elegua, because Elegua also has to be called on when you want your work to be done. If you want your work to be done the proper, authentic, hoodoo based or Orisha based. So for Elegua, what we can keep 1 coconut, and we can keep 9 candies for him as a gratitude that he has come to do the work. But try the one which I have shown with Oya. Now in the video, I have shown what all has to be put, or how the Oya brinjals have to be stuffed. But again, as I said, I was making the video in a hurry, so in that I don't know if I have said what has to be kept for Elegua. So for Elegua, I had said you can keep a coconut and 9 candies. You can keep that next to the brinjal which you have made, indicating that, for the Elegua also the offering has been kept from the day 1. So a coconut and 9 candies will do if you're going to keep for Elegua. And then brinjals, 9 brinjals, you will follow the way I have said. You will put all those things which I have said, and then you will cover it and keep. Now after 9 days, when you leave it in the crossroad, you leave these 2 things also. Now in this 9 days, what you can do is you can burn a purple candle every day, dedicating it to Oya. Oya loves purple. If you ask, her favorite is purple. Now if you're a person who can offer liquor, you can offer her wine. She loves wine. Again, she loves red wine. She loves, it when someone offers her red wine. So you can offer her red wine. Anything in purple is loved by her. So that is the reason I'm using a nice purple brinjal, nice big brinjals. Though in tradition, in also one more of the tradition, we slice the brinjals and then we roast it and we offer her because that is her favorite food also. That is the reason in her favorite food we are adding her favorite things and we are putting the petition so that she can accept it and she can make it work. And when I'm telling you work for something which is stagnant, like money has been stuck in my life or my career is not moving forward, if you work with her and if you do the way I'm saying, I'm sure she's going to come and she's going to bring in a magical transformation which you will wonder how it even happened. And how is it that I didn't connect with Oya for so many days? Because she loves people who connect with her and who work with her in the way she is asking you to work with. And as I said, work only with Elegua and Oya. And if you like the video, let me know. I would love to bring more videos like this, though I will be bringing it in Hindi and English mix. This time I'm bringing it in English because I thought I have posted nearly 3-4 videos in Hindi now, so I should post something for people who are not well versed in Hindi and like seeing me in English based videos. So now I will the video will be continued of the brinjal thing which I have made, and try it and do let me know, and do share and subscribe the channel. I've always said when you share the videos to your families and friends, you get multiple blessings in return. So do that. You can watch the video, and if you have any doubts also, you can let me know. I will pray that the spirit goddess Orisha blesses you all and brings transformation for everyone who tries this simple but powerful remedy with her. So now the brinjal is here. हमारे पास brinjal है, हमें 9 brinjal चाहिए. मैं सिर्फ एक में दिखा रही हूँ. You need 9 brinjals because Oya's number is 9. I'm just showing this in a video, so I'm keeping 1 brinjal. First what we will do is we'll be putting a petition paper inside. आपका जो भी विश है जो आप लिख रहे हैं वो petition बना के आप इसके अंदर डालोगे. और फिर Oya loves copper coins. This type of copper coins is a must. I have used the coin which has the queen ka symbol, more like the emperor ka symbol, because she is married to the king of Orishas. So I am using the copper coins with king symbol. So first I will put the coins inside. Now I have used 3 coins. आप चाहिए तो 9 coin भी use कर सकते हो. Technically the best way to do is आप 9 brinjal लोगे, you'll be taking 9 brinjals. So in each brinjal add 1 coin, so that you'll have 9 coins in count. And then she loves dark chocolate. उनको dark chocolate बहुत पसंद है. Proper dark chocolate ही आपको लेना चाहिए. कोई भी milk chocolate या light chocolate मत लीजिएगा. Please take proper dark chocolate and not any light chocolates, because she loves proper dark chocolate. Now I'll be adding the dark chocolate inside this. I will add a little bit of black eyed peas. अगर आप इसको उबाल के भी डालना चाहते हो फिर भी डाल सकते हो. यू कैन इवन ऐड बॉइल्ड वंस और यू कैन इवन ऐड रॉ वंस, बट बॉइल्ड वंस ऑल्सो इज लव्ड बाय हर. आई एम जस्ट शोइंग 1 हियर, बट एज आई सेड आपको जब ये आप बनाओगे आपको 9 ब्रिंजॉल्स ही बनाने पड़ेंगे. 1 से नहीं होगा, 9 बनाने पड़ेंगे, और सब 9 में आपको वही पेटिशन लिखना पड़ेगा. अब ये हम लोग कॉर्न यूज़ करें. कॉर्न हम लोग बॉईल करके नहीं डालेंगे, हम लोग कच्चा कॉर्न ही डालेंगे. वी विल नॉट बॉईल द कॉर्न, we will add only the raw corn over here. So once the corn is added, what we can do is we will take a little bit of cinnamon bark, and then you can break it into small pieces, or you can even put the whole bark if the brinjal is bigger. Because my brinjal is smaller, क्योंकि मेरा brinjal छोटा है, मैं इसके अंदर जितना जाए उतना पीस डाल रही हूँ. आपको 9 पीसेस चाहिए होंगे. तो ये हमारा बेस है. इसमें मैंने क्या क्या डाला है, मैंने इसमें पहले पेटिशन, जो मैंने नहीं डाला था लेकिन आपको डालना पड़ेगा, पेटिशन, उसके बाद कॉपर कॉइन्स, उसके बाद मैंने डाला हमारा डार्क चॉकलेट, हमारे ब्लैक आइड पीस जो हम लोबिया बोलते हैं, हमारा कच्चा कॉर्न वो डालते हैं, और हम लोग एक छोटा सा सिनेमन बार का टुकड़ा डालते हैं, और इसके बाद हम लोग डालते हैं हनी. हनी इज़ अ मस्ट. हमारे सारे ओडिशास के रिचुअल्स में हम लोग ज़्यादातर हनी का इस्तेमाल करते ही हैं. तो हनी इज़ अ मस्ट ओवर हियर. ये डालने के बाद हम क्या करेंगे, हम इसको इसके साथ ढक देंगे. ढकने के बाद 9 ब्रिंजॉल्स आप ऐसे ढक के आप हमारे ओया के सामने रख लेंगे, अगर आपके पास ओया का श्राइन है तो. अगर श्राइन नहीं भी है तो भी आप एक जगह पर रख देंगे 9 दिन के लिए, और 9 दिन के बाद ही आप इस चीज़ को किसी क्रॉस रोड्स में जाके, ये सारे ऑफरिंग जो मैं रख रही हूँ, अगर आपने अब ओडिशाज या तो ओडिशाज का अलेयूज लेवल किया है तो आप ये सब रखेंगे, वरना आप इसके साथ 9 कॉइन्स, 9 चॉकलेट्स और 1 भुट्टा और 1 नारियल आप रख के आएंगे. तो ऐसे ही हम लोग बनाते हैं, लेकिन हमें एक की जगह हम लोग 9 बनाएंगे. If you have any doubts, you all let me know. We will be making 9, and on the 9th day, we will leave this in the crossroad. Along with, if you are an Aborisha or an Alayos, you have done proper traditional wise, then you will do all these offerings of govas, candies, coconut, corn, Coca-Cola, and everything else. You can leave 1 coconut 9 candies and 9 coins in the crossroads along with the 9 pieces of brinjal, and you can come. Any doubts you all have, let me know. Thank you.